Oh, why hello there. Welcome to Nephilim Radio. I'm busy at the moment. What do you want? What do you want the owner for? If you haven't noticed, I'm the only one here. You're not very perceptive, are you? You see a lichen like me working away and you assume I just work here. I don't have time for your nonsense. If you want to put in a request, then say so. If not, then leave. You're looking at him. I'm the owner of this smithy. You weren't expecting a lichen to be the owner, were you? Typical for a human to assume I'd be a human or a dwarf. What do you expect from a smithy named the Howling Hammer? No need to apologize. I know your type. Dealt with them all my life. Better if you just leave. Not looking for an apprentice. Try Mara over at Windsweep Leatherworks. I heard she's looking to take on an apprentice. A letter? Give me a moment. Says here the mayor is making you my apprentice. Guess I don't have a say in the matter. Though, aren't you quite old to start your apprenticeship? And exactly how many apprenticeships did you fail? I see. Well then, I'm looking forward to witnessing how you'll fail this one. Come over to the corner side of the counter. I'll give you a simple task. You could start off by putting away my tools. I already did the majority of the work on this new blade so far. I only need to polish it and sharpen it before it's ready. Put away my hammer and my other tools. Once you're finished with that, we'll talk more. I already told you, Mara, your blade isn't finished yet. Watching me work isn't gonna help you get a leg up on your wagers. The smart thing to do is hone your craft instead of watching mine. Right. It's part of your culture to seek out the materials yourself. I guess I can understand that. The final craft isn't as fulfilling if you simply import the parts compared to seeking the materials yourself. Still, you could have gone down to the Four-Stead Mug Tavern for a drink and unwind. I heard Balgor came up with a new idea to bring more people in. He calls it Trivia Night. Balgor has yet to explain how Trivia Night works, but knowing him, it'll be innovative. What happened back there? You need to watch where you're going. There's water everywhere. No point in apologizing. What's done is done. Go grab a mop and clean up. This is my new apprentice. Apprentice, come over and meet Mara. Mara here runs the Windsweep Leatherworks. If you're looking for leather armor, leather goods, or any hunting advice, then Mara is the woman to talk to. Mara, you're the only one who enjoys making those wagers. I accept them so you wouldn't pester me as much. Granted, it is nice to get some coin out of it. But yet you always come into my smithy to strike up a conversation with me. Would have thought you'd learn to avoid me by now. Trust me, I didn't take her in willingly. The mayor decided to make her my apprentice. I don't have a say in the matter. You're funny, Mara. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta put the finishing touches on your blade. Apprentice, go mop up the mess you made while I sharpen it. Tell Balgor I said hello. You can come pick up your blade tomorrow morning. Nor can be a pain. I will say, my apprentice, besides the one screw-up with the water throw, you don't seem as downtrodden as I thought. I'm curious how you filled those other apprenticeships. Clumsiness makes sense, but I feel like there's more than that. Are you sure there isn't any apprentice? Where are my tools? Yes, I told you to put them away, but you were supposed to place them on the wall over there. Apprentice, that's where I keep my casting molds. You have a lot to learn. However, at least you were able to snuff out the fire in the forge without any issue. I didn't get a chance to tell you to snuff it out. Good work. I'm not the sort to give out praise often, so don't expect much from me. I suppose we should talk about living arrangements and how your training will proceed from now on. I have a spare room upstairs you can use. I'll provide you with meals every day and you'll help me run the smithy. It's too soon for you to work the forge. Instead, you'll help with small tasks such as organizing and maintaining my tools, keeping inventory of our crafted materials, and record keeping. Blacksmithing is dangerous work. If you don't understand the basics, you'll get hurt or worse. I would know. I hurt myself severely when I was an apprentice. I wish to not talk about it. I simply don't want you to make the same mistake I did back then. Good. Then you'll follow my directions and teachings. Once I've decided you're ready for additional responsibilities, I'll give them to you. But for now, we should start closing up shop before someone comes running in with a request. What is it, Balgor? Mara told you about her? I'd really prefer she didn't speak out about my business to the whole town. I'll deal with Mara later. What was it you came in here to tell me? Wait, what? In the Shadowspire Mountains? What type of rare material are we talking about here? Impossible. Viridium ore only comes in small veins in the Orkla Mountains. There shouldn't be any here in our mountains. Why can't the mayor send someone else to investigate these rumors? I understand. All right. I'll investigate. Wouldn't want the merchants to go into a frenzy over rumors. Makes sense. The mayor wants this to be more discreet by using me instead of using detectives. Last time a rumor like this happened, murders were popping up like wildfire. Out of the question. The journey to the Snowspire Mountains is dangerous enough, let alone any bandits we may encounter on the way. I refuse to endanger my apprentice. They'll stay here. That's what I thought. You'll be staying here while I make the journey. Balgor, I'll head up to the mountains tonight and investigate. Thank you, Balgor. Apprentice, I'll return in the morning. Mara's new blade is finished. You can give it to her if I'm not back yet. You'll find the price she owes us in the ledger beneath the counter.